I'm excited to present my first YouTube video. This video is about installing a hot water boiler for showering. I was inspired by another YouTube video from a Dutch guy who installed the same boiler in his house and was able to just use it as the source for hot water for showering. Since I'm living by myself, I thought this is a nice experiment to see if it's enough for showering and if it could replace completely my central heating boiler for hot water. So the idea was to put the hot water boiler in series with my current central heating boiler. So I had to cut one of those pipes to put it there. As there was enough space in the closet, I could easily place the boiler there and install it. So first I had to see where I could cut the pipes. So I checked out the piping system, and the one in the middle is the outgoing from the central heating boiler, and that's the one I'm going to cut. And this is the manifold which divides it to the rest of the house. And this is the end result. As you can see, the boiler is placed in series, and now I can start to test. Of course, I'm going to add some home automation to make it easy to switch on and off the boiler, and also measure the temperatures on the ingoing and outgoing pipes. But that's for the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Please leave your remarks and questions in the comments section below.